Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated all through India and parts of globe for different religious and spiritual values. But in all values, it signifies the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. The day is observed with family get togethers. It's a day to eat sweet and talk sweet and wash away the bitter emotions like that of hatred. Burning of crackers has also become a part of this festival. These crackers become a reason to sound land and air pollution and furthermore problems. This Diwali, let us actually light the diyas of knowledge in our ignorance and use green crackers, become life sensitive, perform random acts of kindness, and spread positivity. Happy Diwali!
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు వివేక్ సీతారాం. నేను 9వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు దీపావళి పండుగ గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. పంచభూతాలలో ప్రధానమైనది అగ్ని. అగ్ని ప్రాణకోటి మనుగడకు ఉపకరించే తేజస్సును, ఆహారాన్ని ఆధ్యాత్మికంగా ప్రసాదిస్తుంది. ఈ దీపము వెలిగింపు ద్వారా నీలము, పసుపు, తెలుపు రంగులు మనకు ప్రధానంగా గోచరమవుతాయి. ఈ మూడు రంగులు జగతిని పాలించే లక్ష్మీ, సరస్వతి, దుర్గాలుగా భావిస్తారట పౌరాహికులు. ఈ సంబరాలు జరుపుకునే రోజు అమావాస్య కావడంతో ప్రజలందరూ చీకటిని పారద్రోలుతూ దీపాలతో తోరణాలను వెలిగించి బాణసంచా కాల్చి వేడుక చేసుకుంటారు. ఒక పక్క భూచక్రాలు, కాకర పువ్వొత్తులు కళ్ళు మిరుమిట్లు గొలుపుతుంటే మరో ప్రక్క సీమతపగాల ధమధమ ధ్వనులతో పరిసరాలన్నీ మ్రోగుతుంటాయి. బాణసంచా కాల్చడం వల్ల పురాణాలలో ఒక ప్రయోజనం చెప్పబడింది. ఆ వెలుగులో శబ్ద తరంగాల మధ్య దారిద్ర్య దుఃఖాన్ని తరిమివేయబడి లక్ష్మీ కటాక్షం సిద్ధిస్తుందని, అలాగే వర్ష ఋతువులో ఏర్పడే తేమ వల్ల పుట్టుకోవచ్చే క్రిమికీటకాలు బాణసంచా పొగకి నశిస్తాయని చెప్పబడింది. ఇదండి దీపావళి పండుగ గురించి, అలాగే బాణసంచా కాల్చడం వల్ల వచ్చే లాభాల గురించి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
My name is Harshita Machar from class 6. Happy Diwali to all of you. As we know, Diwali is the festival of lights. Today, I'm going to show you how you can decorate your diyas and make it beautiful. So, first is our base color. Our base color is white. Our second step is color with paints. I have painted this diya golden color. The step is to decorate your diya and make the highlights. May your Diwali be prosperous and safe. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
నా పేరు శ్రేయ.
నా పేరు సూర్య.
మేము 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాము.
మేము ఈరోజు దీపావళి పండుగ గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాము.
మనం జరుపుకునే పండుగలలో అందరికీ ఇష్టమైన పండుగ దీపావళి. దీపావళి అనగా దీపాల వరస. నరకాసురుని బాధల నుంచి తప్పించి అందరికీ సంతోషం కలిగించిన రోజు ఇది. అందుకే దీన్ని నరక చతుర్థి అని కూడా జరుపుకుంటాం. రెండవ రోజు వ్యాపారులు లక్ష్మీ పూజ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత మిఠాయిలు పంచుకుంటారు. పిల్లలు బాణసంచా కాలుస్తారు.
పిల్లలు బాణసంచా కాల్చేటప్పుడు పెద్దలు తోడుండాలి. స్వదేశీ టపాసులు కాల్చాలి. ధ్వని పర్యావరణ కాలుష్య రహిత టపాసులను కాల్చాలి. పర్యావరణాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాలి. అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Shubham of class 7B and I'm going to show how to decorate diyas for Diwali. As we all know, Diwali is festival of lights, and this day is also a day when Sri Ram and Sita come back to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan, win of good over bad. Now I'm going to show you the items which we need for decorating diyas. First we need two diyas and any color paints and fabric glue with some decorative items. And we need a paintbrush and a bowl of water. Now we need to start our painting. We need to paint the whole diya. Now after painting the front side, we need to paint the back side. Now I am taking a shiny color. You can take any color. Now I have painted my diya. Its result is like this: shiny back and dark front. Now it's time to decorate my diya. I have taken the same shiny color for a effect. Now I'm just gonna paint over this part. Final output is like this: shimmery effect and shiny. Now let's make this diya more attractive and decorative. We are gonna take some kundans and take a fabric glue. Take any color you like. Apply the glue behind the kundan. And stick it all over the diya. Take more kundans and stick. Final output is like this. I have stuck some in the middle so that it looks more attractive, and on the sides. This is all for this diya. We can make as many diyas, and Diwali is festival of lights, and the most important part of Diwali are the attractive and decorative diyas. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mohad from class 0. Today I am giving some tips or safety measures to be followed on this Diwali. So the first one is avoid lighting diyas or candles near electrical wires. The second one is place lamps on the ground or on a flat surface. Third one is keep babies and pets away from the diyas. The fourth one is keep the doorways clear so that children cannot trip on it. So it was still here, and I wish you a happy and a safe Diwali. Hope you enjoyed it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Urban from class 6th. Today I'm going to present Rangoli and Diwali. Now I'm going to say you about Rangoli. Rangoli is an art originated in India. Rangoli is of two types, dry and wet. Rangoli is in the different Rangoli we can make in different colors such as color sand or else color quarter. We make Rangoli in the different festivals like Diwali, Dasra, Holi, Sankranti, etc. and other festivals. Rangoli is a generosity and good luck. So let's start making our Rangoli. Then first I'm taking the color sand. Next I'm taking another color like green. Then next I'm taking blue. I'm taking pink. I took pink and I'm taking purple. Blue. Again I took blue for decorating on the sides of the flower. Then I'm taking yellow. So now I'm going to do Deepavali. Now I'm taking the candle and I'm lighting the another small candle. Do it very carefully. You should not wear silk clothes while doing this. And I have decorated in a pot with flowers. We can even make with the flowers or we can even make with the sand. It's our choice. Which choice do you want to choose? You can. But make it very slowly. It's very dangerous. So this is how I made the rangoli. Now I am going to say you about Deepavali. You should be very careful in Deepavali and not burning the crackers. Why? Because it is very bad for burning the crackers and it is very noise pollution and air pollution. If we burn the crackers, our surrounding health will become damaged. If you want to play Deepavali means you can just light the candles, you can make like how I made the moggu, like rangolis, you can make with the flowers, you can do some creativity but not playing with the crackers. Why? Because it's very dangerous for playing with the crackers. To burn the crackers, burn them in the presence of parents. And if you want to burn the crackers a lot you like to burn, but don't take the crackers. If you have agarbatti, take the agarbatti. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to say you some safety precautions that now Diwali is coming on. You should not play in your home the crackers and you should be very careful and you should not do noise pollution and air pollution. And happy Diwali for all my friends, my students, my beloved principals, teachers and everybody. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Dikshita. I'm studying in 5th A. Today, I would like to speak few words about Safe Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over India with grateful joys and happiness. Diwali is a symbol of victory of good over bad. Do not light crackers indoor. Do not light crackers on your hand. Do not light crackers with matchstick. Use candle or agarbatti instant. Do not throw crackers at people or pets. Do not wear nylon cloths. Wear only cotton cloths. Do not burn noisy crackers after 10 p.m. Discreet use fireworks in a bucket of water. Do not wear sanitizer before using diyas and candles. Happy Diwali, safe Diwali. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kavya Kamath. Today, me and my friends are going to be performing a skit. The topic is safety during Diwali. So, Diwali is the festival of lights. It's celebrating the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness. Now, let's go see what my friends are up to.
Stop!
Why?
You should know the precautions.
Yes, you should know this.
Light firecrackers in open area.
Maintain a proper distance from the crackers.
Keep the crackers like flower pot and chakras on a flat surface while lighting.
Keep a water bucket, sand, and a first aid box nearby you. Every major fire is small when it starts.
Okay, I'll follow the precautions and burn the crackers.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Wish you all a happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashna Pandey. I'm in 7th A. Today we are celebrating Diwali. It's an occasion of victory over defeat, light over darkness, awareness over ignorance. An occasion to celebrate life. May this auspicious occasion light up your life with happiness, joy and peace. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali to everyone. Have a safe and joyful Diwali.
Diwali is the festival of lights and happiness. In this festival, everyone decorates their houses with diyas and and burn the crackers. Hindus celebrate this festival with a lot of joy. And thank you everyone. Happy Diwali. मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए Happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, I'm Siri of Tenny. Today I'm gonna do diya decoration. So let's get started. So materials needed are 2 diyas, a paintbrush, 3 paints and some water.
Hi friends, happy Diwali. My name is Kavya, 5th A from Secunderabad Public School. Today I'm going to tell few points about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights and it is the biggest festival we celebrate in India. So we can celebrate this Diwali by keeping diyas, candles and rangoli. So one point in the last, we have to never crack crackers in Diwali because we can hurt ourselves. So be safe, don't crack crackers, and thank you friends. Bye.
Andarki Deepavali Shubhakankshalu. My name is Shruti and I am a student of class 8th. Today I am going to be singing a song dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. I hope you all enjoy it. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನಿ ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಾಲಿನ ನಾಡವ ತೋರುತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಲಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊದಗಿನ ಬೆನ್ನಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯಾದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಾದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಕನಕವೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರಿ ಮನಕೆ ಮಾನವ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರಿ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಲಯುವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಕ ಭಾಗ್ಯಾದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಾದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Namaste. My name is Soham Kadavadi. I am from class 4A of the Secunderabad Public School. The Festival of Lights is approaching and I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali. In honor of this occasion, I am going to give a speech about Diwali. Diwali is one of the most popular Hindu festivals. It symbolizes the triumph of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance, and light over darkness. It is mainly associated with the Hindu goddess Lakshmi. It also marks Rama's return to Ayodhya after his exile by killing Ravan. His return was celebrated with a lot of joy in Ayodhya. Thank you and happy Diwali.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు అంకిత. నేను 8వ తరగతి సికింద్రాబాద్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో చదువుతున్నాను. వచ్చింది దీపాల పండుగ దీపావళి. టపాసుల కేలి ఆనందాల రవళి. ప్రతి ఇంటా జరగాలి ప్రభవించే దీపావళి. చీకటిపై వెలుగు విజయమే దీపావళి. మీ అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, मेरे साईं के हाथों में जादू का पानी। दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, मेरे बाबा के हाथों में जादू का पानी। दीपावली श्रद्धा का दीपक, भक्ति की ज्योति, सत्य प्रेम की जलती निशानी, सत्य प्रेम की जलती निशानी, दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, दीपावली मनाए सुहानी, मेरे साई के हाथों में जादू का पानी, दीपावली दीपावली दीपावली.
Hello everybody, I am Janya and today I am going to paint diyas. We need designed diyas, some paints and a paintbrush. Let's start. First we are going to paint our diyas. I am going to take dark blue color and paint. Paint it. Now I choose yellow color to paint my petals. Do it same to the second petal. And friends, paint it like this to look both petals. Now we are going to paint our inner part, which is this part. I am going to paint it with red color. Take our red color and paint it. Take some red color. Do it to all the petals. Friends, after you finish painting the petals like this, we are going to paint the beside part of our petals. And I am going to paint it with pink color. Take some pink color. Now I'm going to paint this for all that. Friends, do this to both of the paints. I did it, and now we are going to paint this. I am choosing green color to paint that. Green color. Now we are going to paint with green color. Paint it. Friends, after painting it with green color, we are going to paint the middle of the green color. I am choosing yellow color for painting it in the middle. And this painting is done by Janavi Nantula of class 16. So let's paint it. Yellow color. Do it for all. After you finish painting the tip, now we are going to paint this. I am using light blue for the painting. Do it for all the rest. Friends, I painted it with light blue and our diya decoration is ready. Now I am going to add some silver paint for more decoration. We'll take some golden color and I will add some touch where the point is there. Like this. Like this. Okay. Do it for the other side also. Now I am going to do it in the middle also for some bright texture. Let it dry for some time. And friends, this is our final look of our diyas. Now we are going to light this diya. First I am going to pour some oil. Now I am going to add one cotton.
am going to light this diya. And this is our diya. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Ansh. I am from class 5. Today I am going to tell about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. We used to burn firecrackers, but because of COVID-19 we cannot gather and fire the crackers. So it is harm for COVID patient. Dear friends, I suggest you to please do not burn firecrackers. Do not use sanitizer before lighting diyas or candle. Be safe, be careful. Happy Diwali!
My name is Riti Sahasra. I am in 4th B. Today I am going to sing a song on Diwali. Pretty diyas light up the place, rockets vanish without the trees. Be it night or be it day, it sparkles, sparkles all the way. Pretty diyas light up the place, rockets vanish without the trees. Be it night or be it day, it sparkles, sparkles all the way. Diwali is a festival of lights filled with fun and happy sights. The festive mood is in the air. Burn those crackers, but take care. Diwali is a festival of lights filled with fun and happy sights. The festive mood is in the air. Burn those crackers, but take care. Thank you.
ये दिन जहाँ में हर कहीं बरदे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिल दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की जहाँ में हर कहीं बरदे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिल दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली थैंक यू
Hi guys, I am Praisy from 5th A roll number 20. Today I am going to show you to make a colorful rangoli, an easy way that is. So let's get started. So this is the final product. You can change the colors if you want to. So I'm going to call my mother to light the diyas and I'll show you the final product again. So my mother lighted the diyas. Isn't it very easy? Yeah. So make sure you use clay or handmade diyas instead of candles. And do not firecrackers stay safe. You can even add more stuff or remove stuff or even change it. It's your wish. Make your Diwali more colorful with this Rangoli. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Jayadu of class 4B. Today I am singing a song on Diwali. Pretty diyas light up the place, rockets vanish without a trace. Be it night or be it day, its crackers sparkles all the way. Diwali is the festival of light filled with fun and happy sight. The festive mood is in the air. Just burst those crackers, but take care. Pretty diyas light up the blaze, rockets vanish without a trace. Be it night or be it day, its crackers sparkles all the way. Diwali is the festival of light, filled with fun and happy sight. The festive mood is in the air. Just burst those crackers, but take care.
Good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. I wish a very happy Diwali to all of you. Diwali is known as the festival of lights as it is a national festival celebrated all over the India with their families. Guests come to our homes with sweets and gifts. On this day we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha for wealth and prosperity. Thank you.
నీ కలవన్నీ కన్నలై రాత్రిలో కరగవని నువ్వు నమ్మేనా ఎదురుగా నిలిచే నీ కన్యామణి నీ కోసమని గగనమే భూమిపైకి దిగి వచ్చిన నీ ఆ రూపాన్ని చూపుతో అల్లుకుపోసోదామిని చంకేలా జాగేలా సంకోచాల జవ్వని బింకాలు బిరియాలు ఆ నల్లనయ్య చేత చిక్కి పిల్లన గ్రోవై ప్రియమాల నవరాగాలే పాడని అంటూ ఈ చిరుగాలి నిన్ను వీళ్ళు కొలుపు సంబరాన గోపికమ్మ చాలునులే మాని నిడరా గోపికమ్మ నిన్ను విడని నా మనసు తెరా కృష్ణ కొలనిలో కమలముల కన్నెమది తనలో కృష్ణ నేనిలా విందిస్తానంటున్నది అల్లరి కన్నా దోచుకో కమ్మని ఆశల వెన్నెలది అందరికన్నా ముందుగా తన వైపే రమ్మన్నది విన్నావా చిన్నారి ఏమన్నా ప్రతి గోపిక చూస్తూనే చేజారి ఈ మంచి వేళ మించని కతరపడవమ్మా సుకుమారి ఏ మాత్రం ఏ మారక వనిలాలో వయ్యారి బృందావిహారి దొరకుడమ్మ గోపికమ్మ చాలునులే మాని
ఊరువాడ ఉత్సాహంగా వెలుగులు జిమ్మెలే చుట్టాలంతా ఆనందంగా సందడి చేసేలే జోరుగా పండుగ చేద్దాం దీపాల కాంతుల్లో మస్తుగా చిందులు వేద్దాం మాడే పాడే మనమాడే పాడే ఇక ఆడే పాడే ఐశ్వర్యాల కాంతులు నింపే పండగ వచ్చిందే మెరుపులు జల్లే నేలను తాకే దీపావళి నోరూరించే పిండి వంటల పండగ వచ్చిందే లక్ష్మీదేవి దీవించాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని సుమన సవందిత సుందరి మాధవి చంద్ర సహోదరి హేమమయే మునిగణ వందిత మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మంజుల వాసిని హేమమయే జయ జయ హే మధుసూదన కామిని ఆది లక్ష్మి సదా పాలయ మాం.
Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. This festival is full of lights. Diwali is my favorite festival. I burn so many crackers. Be careful while burning crackers. My dear teacher and friend, today I would like to speak about Diwali. Diwali is
festival of Goddess Lakshmi. We burn diyas. I like the festival. Happy Diwali.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए।
Diwali is a very famous festival celebrated by Hindus in India. It's also called the Festival of Lights. On this day, Lord Ram returned back to Ayodhya after 14 years exile. So, people of Ayodhya welcomed him home by lighting lamps. So, every year, Hindus celebrate this day as Diwali. We decorate our houses with flowers and diyas. We wear new clothes. We do Lakshmi Puja in the evening, and we greet our friends and relatives. In the night, we distribute sweets and we have fun by doing fireworks. Happy Diwali! Have fun! Diwali is a festival of light. We celebrate Diwali because Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya in 14 years of exile. We eat sweets, do puja, burn crackers, make rangoli. Happy and safe Diwali to all. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is the victory of good over evil. Festival is celebrated with full of lights decorated in the home. On that day, we wear new clothes and we exchange sweets. In the evening, we do Lakshmi Puja. Happy Diwali to all. Hello everyone, my name is Cheshta. My school name is Secunderabad Public School. I am studying in PP2A. I am going to tell about Diwali. Diwali is an Indian festival. It is the victory of good over evil. The lighting of layers, handles and bursting of crackers is a part of Diwali. We do Lakshmi Puja on this day. In India, epic Ramayana, Diwali celebrated when Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya. Happy and safe Diwali, everyone. Happy Diwali.
నరకాసుర వధ అని చెప్పి నన్ను వధించిన రోజు ద్వాపరయుగం నందు మానవులు దీపాలతో సంబరాలు చేసుకున్నారు. కన్నేటి మానవులు విపరీత బుద్ధులతో తమ వినాశనాన్ని తామే కుందించుకున్నారు. హతవిధి హానికరమైన పేలుడు పదార్థాలతో ధని కాలుష్యం వాయు కాలుష్యంగా మించి ప్రకృతి వైపరీత్యాలకి దారి తీస్తున్నాయి. ఎంత మాట ఇప్పటికైనా కళ్ళు తెరిచి దీపాలతో రంగురంగుల పువ్వులతో అలంకరించి మిత్రులతో బంధువులతో ఆనందంగా సంబరాలు జరుపుకోండి. దీనినే చెడుపై మంచి విజయం సాధించడం అంటారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.